Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to learn the tones in Cantonese. The characteristic that distinguish Cantonese from most Western language is that it's tonal. Cantonese is a tonal language. A tone is a distinctive relative pitch, high, medium or low, or a distinctive pitch contour, rising or falling in the range of one's voice. There are 6 different tones in Cantonese. The syllabic tones in Cantonese is an essential element of the language, because the meaning of the word can change with a different tone. The first tone is the high-level tone. If you start your voice high-pitched and let it stay more or less the same high pitch throughout, that is a high-level tone. For example, Sam. The second tone is the high rising tone. It starts at a very low pitch and normally rises above the pitch of the first tone. For example, 九. The third tone is a mid-level tone. It's a steady pitch around the middle tone of a person's voice, and is considered as a comfortable tone of one's voice. For example, say. The fourth tone is the falling tone, the lowest tone among the 6 tones in Cantonese. It starts from lower than the medium pitch and falls to fairly low pitch. For example, 零. The fifth tone is the low rising tone. It starts almost the same pitch as the second tone, but only rises to about the medium level tone. For example, 五. The last one, the low level tone. It stays at a constant low pitch for its duration of a syllable. For example, 二. You can remember these 6 numbers in the example in order to help you to get used to the 6 tones. 3, 9, 4, 0, 5, 2. Again, 3, 9, 4, 0, 5, 2. Now, let's try with sentence with all 6 tones. For example, this sentence: clothes, hat, trousers, shoes, and socks. In Cantonese would be 衫、帽、褲、鞋、語、襪。衫、帽、褲、鞋、語、襪。Faster version would be 衫、帽、褲、鞋、語、襪。Second sentence: come to my place at 3:30. 3點半嚟我度。3點半嚟我度。Faster would be 3點半嚟我度。The last example: a small bowl of noodle with beef brisket. 一碗細牛腩麵。一碗細牛腩麵。Faster would be 一碗細牛腩麵。That's the end of today's video. Next video we will talk about transportation and urban district in Hong Kong. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and see you guys next time. 下次見，拜拜。